Now, as much as I hate to say this because I am super heavily invested, most of my net worth is in physical silver and gold right now, okay? And as much as I hate to say this and as much as I hate to be the guy that says this, right? Because I've been talking about this for weeks, okay? We've been talking about this inside of NORDIC Alpha for weeks as well. This could be the top on silver, and I'm not saying that it is, okay? There's two scenarios. I'm gonna lay out both scenarios here because we are double topping at that $82 and like 50 to 60 cent level, and we're getting a fade. And I'm gonna show you the bullish case scenario because there is a chance that we are bullish down here whenever we get this rejection at the double top high, and it could just be a new higher low. So I'm going to give you the parameters in order for you to be prepared for both sides, because I'm not picking a side. I'm going to see what happens, and my whole reasoning and basis for trading is because I want to buy more of this. So I'm going to trade paper contracts like this in order to be able to buy more physical gold and silver to put into my bags. And I think a lot of people are in that same boat. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the charts. This has to get done, right? And that's why there's a reason I'm filming this at 11:24 at night. And it's because it is, it's serious, man. It's serious. It's pretty darn serious. So we have now pretty close to double topped. We came within 20 cents of the actual double top, okay? Now, the one thing that you really need to pay attention to is this massive set of order blocks, okay? Now, if you know anything about me, and let me introduce myself just in case this is your first time on the channel, I am Drew Wolfer. I am a pro trader. I have a proprietary methodology that I teach people inside of NORDIC Alpha for $29 a month, less than $1 a day. You can get in there and get these, you know, insights and trades and, you know, analysis and stuff like that. But I do have a 91.5% documented and live tracked win rate in just 2025 alone on both gold and silver. So if you don't know me, now you do. Let's get into the topic at hand though. These are called order blocks, okay? And this massive one right here, this is a order block from the 3-minute chart on this big dump. It's the order block that happened before this dump. This is where institutions are leaving a footprint, okay? I'm not gonna get into the specifics of order blocks. If you wanna know more about them, you can get into NORDIC Alpha and stuff like that where I explain that. But in any case, what happens sometimes in order blocks is what you will have is a order block that turns from a resistance, which is what we think that order blocks normally should be, right? So like right here, this was resistance, and as you can see, we hit it, and then we used the previous one as support. Now, why did we use the previous one as support? Because we had one big massive candle that ran all the way through it right here, the majority of this order block right here, right? So why was that used as support? Well, because it became what is called a breaker block. When you run through it, this could be support now. Now, this could be support right here as well, and this could be your next higher low, your retest of the previous range high right here to then continue upwards. So this is where you are on alert. I'm not telling you to pick a side here. I'm just saying be ready for both sides here. Now, you also came down and you tagged a naked VWAP level and have twice, almost 3 times now, and have bounced, okay? But the one thing is the more that you bang on that level, now it's no longer a naked VWAP, the more likely it is to break down, okay? So the reason why this is now technically support is because this big green candle moved all the way through it with strength closed outside of it, similar to how this one did right down here. I'll show you. Similar to how this candle did, all right? If you look at this big green candle, moved pretty much all the way through that order block, you came back, you rejected from this top order block, and then boom, you came down, you tested VWAP, you got back into this now breaker block, used it as support, and set a new lower or new higher low to then continue the trend and pattern. So this is integral right here. Losing this level right here is going to not be that awesome. So you need to stay above $79 right now. That's just for now, okay? If not, you're probably heading down into this zone right here. And if you break below this level right here, This is where it gets pretty nasty, okay? Now, the one thing I want you to understand is if we close this candle right here, we are shifting market structure to the downside because this is our market structure low now, okay? So we could be shifting market structure to the downside. If we do not use this order block as support to continue upwards to new all-time highs and then crack those new all-time highs with a candle close, this is the top on silver. Mark my words, if that doesn't happen, I'm not saying, and let me go back on screen for this because people take my words out of context. I am not saying nor guaranteeing that this is the top on silver. I am saying if this scenario plays out the way that I'm saying it, this is the top on silver, at least for now, right? Maybe we come back and we say, boom, we come back down to our pivot line, right, of this massive uptrend, okay? And then we bounce at $74. We've been talking about 74 for quite a while. But the one thing I will say is if you look at the market structure on this, if you look at just market structure, okay, and these institutional levels, you will see that our 4-hour market structure is way down here, okay, at $69, all right? And we can go to the 4-hour chart and I can show you that. That is where our 4-hour market structure shift would potentially be, right? All the way down here. And that's because this was our prior low, and then we failed that low, and we set a new low, but we did not shift market structure to the downside. So in my opinion, okay, you double topped here, okay? You ran through this order block, then creating a nice breaker block zone of support. This is your top end of your prior range right here, which you have technically bounced from right now. You've taken out the naked VWAP, and if you don't use that naked VWAP and this breaker block as support, and you get under this, this is not good. Then if you do not bounce from here, this is even worse because you will be heading down to right here at $74. Then if you get below $74, you got to watch out below because you're probably coming down to about $69 to $71, okay? Now, if you were to break up from here, right? I'll show you where you could potentially go. And for that, we have to use what is called a proprietary deviation zone, all right? So if we measure from the top, from the bottom to the top of here, okay? And we zoom out, we know that our first resistance is going to be at $84.50 and then $86 to $86.82, right? So 84 to 84.50 and then 86 to 86.62, okay? Now, those are your two scenarios, okay? I'm not going to go any further in depth on that because if you want the high level analysis, if you want the trade setups, if you want what I'm thinking all day, every day, not all day, every day, you kind of get what I'm saying, but if you want what I am thinking every single day, get in to the private VIP trading room, okay? I literally gave out a long earlier on both gold and silver and said, hey, if we close outside of these order blocks, look for a potential long entry when you get to the prior range highs and retrace them. Now, did silver do that? No. It didn't. It's doing it now, but silver did not do that earlier, okay? We got outside of the order block. Now we're retesting the range highs. Could you look for a long now? Maybe, but that's why I'm saying you have to make that decision. This is a game time decision. Now for gold, it did, okay? It did retest those range highs. We broke out, we came back, we retested the range highs. This is where you longed, right here, right? Boom, you blasted up. You're in big profits right now, and as I told everybody inside of the VIP trading room, if you are in that long that we gave out earlier, right up here, whenever we were, screen sharing our charts or screenshotting our charts, just protect it because silver may have double topped here. So I don't say this to say that silver is guaranteed going to go down. I say this to tell you, be prepared for either scenario, okay? And with that being said, if you want to get into the private VIP trading room where I give out these trades and I give out these setups every single day, right? I give you my analysis. It's not a signals group. I'm not going to give you signals. That is illegal for people to do, okay, in the United States. If you're not a broker dealer, if you're not a financial advisor, which I am neither, and I never represent myself as such, Get into the private VIP trading room, or the private VIP trading academy, okay? It's $29 a month, less than $1 a day. We will see where this plays out tomorrow, and let's just see how it goes. See you all soon. If you like content like this, obviously, make sure you smash the like button for me. Make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on the notification bell. Comment whatever you want in the relevant sections. I'm up for the smoke. I'm up for being wrong or being right. Does not matter to me. We're prepared for both scenarios. There's no scenario in which we are wrong here, right? It's just whether or not we take the trade. I will see you soon.